So what we're doing is we're going to drop the hood down, give it a little Euro style, I guess, and then we'll come in and fill in this area here with a custom grill insert. So we got this little steel structure here to hold the hood's shape. Gotta do this again. I didn't have the cord going. So we're extending the edge of the grill just a little bit in length. This is the Cadillac grill that we've made. And he'll trim all that down to fit and match up with a nice even gap right here. I guess when I pushed the button, I didn't push it hard enough.
We'll put holes in that thing.
Is that just a single layer?
What?
Single piece of sheet metal, or is it like double?
No, it's got upper and top lip on it.
Right. Oh, okay, where the holes are.
Yeah, where the holes are, I'm gonna put them flared holes in there.
Right.
And probably put one in between it. Each one.
That look good.
So Mike, I'm just gonna put these in the scraps in.
Cut them up.
Did that make a big difference?
Oh, yeah, it's sticking shit out of it.
But it clears everything?
Oh, yeah.
So we're getting the Trans Am going. Then some electrical fan wiring, control system. And then we got this 68 Camaro in for an AC install. On these cars, you pretty much got to pull the fender. So this grill we made to replicate the original grill. This is all out of pull wrench. Everything's been laser cut together. We finger jointed, I'll call it. So 54 Cadillac. We got the front end all off of it. Doing some finish welding on the chassis. You get a good visual of the dry sump system. Right? Where did the keys go? Put them in my pocket? Yeah, I guess I did. So we're gonna go try and do this before the sprinkles hit, since we just got this car all nice and detailed. This may be a short drive.
around town here right quick with it, talk about the car. So he brought us this project that was originally basically a bunch of patch panels that were just screwed together sitting on a roadster shop chassis. Well, this roadster shop, or this project, was far from being anywhere near ready to continue on. So we worked up some guesstimates on cost to get his body ready to go to just to be ready to start doing body work on. And our labor estimate with the parts still required that we're still missing, we figured let's just look at doing possibly another like a donor car, just to get a better body. Plus, he still didn't have any of the chrome, exterior chrome. He didn't have any of the glass hardware, not just the glass itself or the rollers and regulators, but any of the hardtop stuff. Didn't have any of that. None of the bullets, bumpers. So there was a lot of stuff that was still missing, body related, that we were going to have to get just to do fit and finish on the car. So about that same time, we had a friend call and tell us that they had a neighbor lady whose husband just passed away and had a 57 Chevy hardtop that she was looking to sell. So we went and looked at it, and for the price, it was a complete running driving car, a whole lot less than our initial estimate, just to get the body ready, patch panels and stuff, all as one unit to be ready to go to our body shop. So we ended up buying the car and then stripped that car and did a chassis swap, or that put that body on the roadster shop chassis, and then proceeded to build the project with the size wheel and tire that's on it back. I think they're 11-inch wide, maybe 12s, but they're like 20-inch diameter, so we had to widen the rear wheel tubs, obviously. The roadster shop chassis the customer had bought many years before he ever brought us the project, and so it was an older chassis design that they had done. But we also put a firewall in it, recessed the firewall, smoothed it out, smoothed the inner fenders. This car has a GM Performance LS crate engine with the 4L60 transmission, and it's just the 430 horse. It's just a basic one. Naturally, we're going to be in a lot of traffic Saturday here, but so it's kind of just a traditional car. Nothing extremely fancy other than just really nicely done. It rides like a, I don't know if you'd say a Cadillac, but it rides nicer than than your average hot rods, especially a stock 57. It's got power steering on it, obviously. We have changed it over to Hydro Boost brakes from Hydrotech. Such a nicer way to go. These LS engines a lot of times just don't create enough vacuum for the vacuum brakes. Plus, we didn't want to have that big ugly looking thing up on the firewall. Hydro Boost looks a lot nicer. So he decided he wanted the car black, and it's about as black as you can get. Our body guy, Anthony, or painter, did an amazing job on getting this car straight.